Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya, and today we're going to be talking about skin barrier, everything you need to know, what causes it, the damages, the ways to solve them. This first of all, we want to talk about generally what is skin barrier. So your skin barrier is like what protects your skin from free radicals. It's what protects your skin from every, environmental hazard or whatever. So your skin is actually made up of, the skin is actually made up of layers, and for each layer, it has its own function, its own performance, its own purpose in your body. Okay, so they have different functions in which they have to, protect your skin from whatever condition. At the outermost layer of the skin, which is called the stratum corneum, is often described as a brick, right? That is what prevents all these things from coming in and things from going out. Okay, without this thing, it kind of exposes you to dangers, the environmental um dangers and all of that. So this stratum corneum actually consists of tough skin cells that are bound together to to keep your skin in place, and that thing that binds it together is actually what is a skin barrier. In your skin cells, you will find like keratin and other natural moisturizers that would protect your skin. When we're talking about these layers, actually what they consist of is like the cholesterol, the fatty acids, and the ceramides. Okay, so it's highly important that you still have these things in your body so it will protect you. And you should know that literally these things are listed are what are keeping you alive, basically, literally keeping you alive, and without them you are going to be exposed to various harmful environmental toxins. Things can easily penetrate into your skin when you don't have all those things in place. Now, when we're talking about when you don't have all these things, and when you don't have all these things, and you're not with your skin barrier anymore, you don't have your skin barrier anymore, the water inside your body would find its way to escape. Your skin barrier is like a brick wall, like I said before, so it helps to prevent things from going out. You get so and when you don't have your skin barrier anymore, the water that is already in your system finds its way out. So it's easy for it to go out and evaporate, leaving you completely dehydrated. Okay, so you need water in your system to keep you hydrated from time to time, and that is how you get plump skin and radiant skin and all of that. So when your skin is hydrated, it kind of limits the effects of all these free radicals and all the harmful toxins that can get into your skin. That's what I'm basically trying to say. So now, as I've explained everything you need to know, what can actually damage your skin barrier? One would be sun exposure. Okay, so when you expose yourself too much to the sun without your sun protection, even when you use your sun protection, you still expose yourself to the sun, you're definitely going to impair your skin barrier. So when you continuously do that a period of time, your skin barrier is definitely going to break. It's not magic. It's going to break. Thing is using alkaline soaps and detergent on your skin. That's really bad. Using your bathing soaps on your face is bad. So you need to get a face soap to use on your face, because those ones do not have alkaline, and it does not have things that the body is tougher than the face. So what the body can take, the face cannot take it. So that is why you are advised not to use alkaline soaps, and all these bathing soaps that we have alkaline in them. Another thing is exposure to harsh chemicals. When we talk about harsh chemicals, it could be like all the chemical peels all them, like not going to a proper place to, take these things can actually lead to damaging your skin barrier. Maybe you just go to anybody at all that does not specialize in it, but because they know that it will drive the market and it will bring more customers. That is what people do right now. So they just move towards like what will bring them more customers, and they tend to like make their money off that. So when you go towards that direction, you use harsh chemicals from those people, it would damage your skin barrier. Maybe it is in too much, is in a very high and concentration, or like using all, I don't want to say steroids, but steroids is also there. So harsh chemicals can be also using steroids, the bleaching creams and all of that, the mixture, the premixed creams, all those things, they're harmful because you cannot actually tell what percentage you are using in your product. So it's advisable that you do not. Another thing would be over exfoliating. Okay, so I know how we want to get a glowing skin, right? But when we do too much of exfoliation, it's going to damage, then your skin barrier is damaged. So that is another big factor when it comes to using all of these things. So you need to be careful how much you exfoliate your skin. Don't go and do a chemical peel and also come and use your normal exfoliant in your house. Don't do that. And don't overwash your face. There are lots of people who do all this morning. They use like 2 washes or 3 washes. Like there are even days where you do not need to do so much. Like a little will go a long way. So you don't need to do too much on your face. Okay, just take it easy. All right. So another thing would be genetics factors. Okay, so there are a lot of things that can cause, if it's genetics, you have skin conditions and all of that, that can also cause your skin barrier to be broken. Okay, another one would be psychological distress. Okay, so when you are not in the best mental health state, your skin barrier can be damaged because you're not really doing anything to your face. So when we're talking about that, we're talking about the hormonal imbalance, and all of that can cause a lot of trouble to your skin, and then you have a damaged skin barrier. Now we're going to quickly go into the symptoms. Okay, so how do you know that you have a damaged skin barrier? The first one is going to be that you have a dry and scaly skin. Yeah, your skin is going to be looking very dry and scaly. It's like you're a fish or something. Anyway, so you would notice that your face is scaly, the way it feels and the way it looks. Okay, so it's very distinctive. You're not going to mistake it for something else. And then another thing is that it's going to be itchy. Like it should just be itching you. Like you feel itchy at areas, different areas, your cheek or your jaw line or your forehead. So it's going to be itchy a lot. Another thing is that you're going to be having patches. It's going to be rough, it's going to be rough, and then you have discolored patches. Okay, so look out for those kind of things. Okay, another thing would be acne. You're going to be prone to acne. You're going to be having acne a lot because your skin barrier has been broken. And then you'll be sensitive. Your skin is going to be sensitive and inflamed. If you have any of these symptoms, like you see any of these things, then you know that your skin barrier has been damaged, and honestly, you need to go and meet a dermatologist or your skin therapist to help you analyze and program what you're going to do. So now I'm going to be talking about how to protect and also restore your skin barrier. The first thing I'm going to say, which is the wisest thing you can actually do, is to simplify your routine. Simplify your skin routine. Just stop everything you're doing and just go to the basics, which is your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. Just do those 3 for a couple of days before you know exactly what the issue is and where you're supposed to put your hands to. Okay, so don't go and do things that you're not supposed to do. Don't continue say, no problem, they said consistency. You continue using those products that are not good for your skin, and you don't even know which one is the problem. So that's why you need to simplify everything, bring down everything, break it down to just the 3 basic skincare routine that anyone can use. Okay. And then another thing is to get products that concentrates on pH balance. You can get a cleanser or a moisturizer that will help to restore your skin's pH balance. So you need to pay attention to your pH balance. Okay, so your skin barrier has been broken, so everything is like up and down. So you do not have a specific skin pH balance right now. So it's impaired and you need to restore that back. So that is it. And then another thing is that you should try to use oil plants. Okay, oil plants to replenish your skin barrier. Okay, so I have a couple of them here. We have jojoba oil, coconut oil, argan oil, rose hip oil, primrose, and almond oil. So those oils are you know plant oils that you can actually use to help to replenish your skin barrier. Now, I know I have listed a number of them, but I'm not saying that you should go and buy everything and start to use them one by one. No. What I'm saying is you can pick from any of this plant oils that I've mentioned and look for a product. Either you're looking for a moisturizer, a face cream, that has this particular plant oil in it, then you use it for your face. I'm not saying go and get everything and then use it on your face. No. Okay, so if you're not able to get any of them in a product, then maybe you buy one and massage it into your face until it has absorbed into your skin. Okay, so that is what you can do. But don't go and buy everything and start using it. No, that's not it. Okay, look for a product that contains any of those oils as an ingredient, then use them like that. Another thing I'm going to talk about is look for formulations that have ceramides in them. Okay, there are a lot of cleansers, a lot of I think there is a moisturizer that has ceramides in it. So ceramide actually helps to restore skin barrier, and that is why some cleansers have it. This CeraVe has um their, I don't know if it's their 3 washes, but I think their cleansers actually have ceramides in them. So I know of the foaming cleanser, I know of the SA smoothing cleanser, the renewal cleanser. I think the hydrating one, I've not actually seen the packaging before, so I don't know if it has ceramides in it, but I know that they say there that it helps to repair skin barrier. So you can actually go for products like that that would restore your skin barrier. Okay. So another thing you should try moisturizers that contain hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Yeah. So hyaluronic acid and glycerin helps with hydration. So that is why you need to use that, because you know that your skin barrier has been broken and your skin feels more dehydrated. So you need things that would help with hydration and humectants and all that. So they need to help you to get your skin back, and moisturizers to lock in moisture. And also, please, even in all of this, don't forget to use your sun protection. Sun exposure leads to skin, like damaged skin barrier, so you need to use your sun protection also alongside all of this. You need to remember that your skin barrier is your body's front line defense against everything the environment throws at you. Keeping it healthy is more than just a cosmetic condition, a cosmetic problem. Okay, it's very important that you keep it healthy, and doing all of this is going to help to restore your skin barrier. So do not miss out on anything. Follow these steps and definitely you will get a good result. Okay, so guys, that's the end of this video. Please, if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. I'll be there waiting to respond to any of your questions. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.